Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Yen and you're watching Yen TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you about the application process on Preply. Before that, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so that you will always be notified whenever I upload new videos. Since some of you were interested in applying on Preply or teach on Preply, so I made a video. I did record how I fill out the form last night. This is for you guys. So this is for those of you who doesn't have a laptop, doesn't have a computer or a desktop. Okay, so you can fill out the form using your mobile phone because that's what I did. I will show you how I did it on my mobile phone. If you have desktop, laptop or computer, that's good. That's better. So it won't be difficult for you to fill it out. So make sure you also have the stable internet connection so that you can proceed to all of the steps. Now, let's go to my screen so that I can explain with you how to fill it out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is my screen. Let's click the Google Chrome. And then once you click that, you will be redirected here. So now let's search Preply. Now let's click that become a tutor. Once you click that, here you will sign up with an email or you can link your Facebook account or your Gmail account. Okay, so on the first step, you will put your personal information, your first name, your last name, and your country of origin. For me, I choose Philippines because that's where I live, and then the languages you spoken and the level. If you're a beginner of the language, click that A1 as a level 1, or if you're a native speaker, then click that native. So let's just click this C2. You can add more than 2 languages as long as you speak the language. On subject thought, they will give you an options subjects that you can only teach on Preply. So there I tried to search Tagalog and there's Tagalog. I also tried to search for Cebuano language. There's no Cebuano option. For Bisaya, there's also no Bisaya option. So since I'm already teaching Tagalog, I will now click the English language. Here on describe your teaching experience, we have 3 options. I have formal teaching experience, I have taught in an informal setting, or none of the above. So I will choose this, I have formal teaching experience. Here on describe your current situation, we have 5 options. I have another teaching job, I have another non-teaching job, I am a student, I have other commitments, and I have no other commitments. So let's click the first one. On the phone number, that's optional. Make sure you are over 18 before you apply on Preply because there is an age confirmation below. Click next if you're done. As you can see there, looks like your internet connection is poor. I click that retake the connection test, but then it's still the same. Okay, so please make sure your internet connection is stable so that you won't experience this kind of situation. I changed it to desktop side, so I regret it because it becomes blurry. I need to put an arrow and labels to each step. Now here, let's click next. So in step 2, we need to upload profile photos with the maximum 5 MB. Here, let's click next if you're done. Right now here in teaching certificate, that's step 3. We will put the subject, the certificate, since I have TEFL, let's click that TEFL. Now, who issued that certificate? So for me, that's teacher record. So I will put that there and the years of study. So for me, that's 2022 still. I have finished it in 2022, within 2022. Alright, so that's it. Now upload the certificate. If you don't have any certificate, just click I don't have any teaching certificate yet. And since I have one, I will upload it and then wait for it to load, and then once it loaded, click next. Here on step 4, this is your educational background wherein you will need to put your university, your degree type, specialization, and years of study. And if you have diploma, you can upload it here. And if you don't have, just click that I don't have a higher education degree and then click next. Here in step 5, this is your profile description wherein you need to put a catchy headline and then you will introduce yourself, and then there you will put your teaching experience, certification, and methodology, and motivate your student to book a trial lesson with you. So you need to invest your time in making it more attractive to students. Now if you're done, click next. In step 6, that's where you will record your intro video. Before that, you will click this test camera and then there automatically see your face. If you click stop, then this will play automatically, and then if you will click next, then you will be redirected here. In video introduction, we have options. If we want to record ourselves, we can click start recording or paste a link to your video from YouTube or Vimeo link. Thumbnail is optional. You don't need to do that, but if you want to, make sure it won't exceed 20 MB. To start recording ourselves, we need to auto-rotate our phone and then put your phone into landscape position. And then click that test camera. Once you click the test camera, you will see your face. Okay, so make sure you can be seen. As you can see, my background is not white and it's not bright enough. So make sure if you record yourself, you have a good lighting. Okay? So during that time, I tested my camera, my headphone, and my microphone. I make sure that my voice is clear enough. And then when I click stop, it automatically play. And then there, I click next to start recording myself. Once you click start recording, then you can see the countdown here. After that, you will see your face. That's the time that you need to speak. So if you're not satisfied with the video, you can always click stop record and then re-record. Once you click stop re-record, it will automatically play the previous video. And then once you click re-record, it will automatically count down. Start with a countdown, and then there you need to speak again. And then stop recording and then re-record. So that's it. In my case, I don't exactly remember how many times I clicked that rare record because I'm not satisfied with how I speak, my pronunciation, and anything because I keep on making mistakes. So, yeah, that's reality. It's better to have an edited video on your YouTube account or your Vimeo account. After how many tries, I'm finally satisfied with this one. So there I click stop recording and then upload a thumbnail because I prepared one thumbnail. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can just do that when you are accepted on Preply. So in my case, I just tried to put a thumbnail here. Once you're done, click next. And then once you click next here in step 7, this is the availability when you are available to teach, what day and what time. So I think you need to put more than 7 hours a day. And there, once you're done with that, you can click next. In step 8, this is where you set your hourly base rate. So $5 is what Preply suggested. You can put higher if you are very confident on your teaching styles. There is a Preply commission. So here in Preply commission, every first trial or trial lesson, 100% is on Preply. So you will not be paid every first student that you have. You will just be paid once the student rebook a class with you. Okay, so every 20 hours, 33%. So if you teach up to 400 plus lessons, then commission will be lessened to 18%. Okay, so the more chances of winning if you have more lessons. Now here in the join to discount program, that's the last step. We won't click that, okay, because we're just starting our career here. So let's just click that complete registration below. And then once you click that, you can see here successfully submitted. And then you will wait for like within 9 business days. So you will receive an email with your application status update. Click that, okay, I understand. Now once you click that one, you will see this. You will receive an email with the status of your application within 9 business days. That's it. That's how you can fill out the form if you want to, teach on Preply. So that's the process. Okay. I filled it out last night and I thought I would receive the email by um, like 9 business days. But then when I tried to check the website and my profile, I saw that I wasn't being accepted. That's okay because maybe I didn't meet the qualifications to be an English tutor on Preply. So make sure you're following what I instructed you to do in this video, and I hope you didn't skip any important information. Good luck to your application. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!